definitely a fun one.
Hey guys, I'm Donnie and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, I got a new mini foldable drone, and this is courtesy of LBLA, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Donnie here, and I wanted to show you a new little foldable quad from LBLA. I thank you guys for sending this little drone to me. We're going to open this up. I really like these little foldable quadcopters. They're really neat. I've seen this before, and it looks like a pretty good product, so I'm just going to show you what comes in the box. I thought it was really neatly packed in here, so I won't take up too much of your guys' time, but the first thing I seen on here was pretty cool. Is they got it in English and Chinese. They got a little customer service card here, so if you have any questions or anything, you can Gmail them, and you know, you can comment and send them a response how you like it, give them feedback. So obviously they're really into their customer service. That's a big plus in my book here. Another thing that comes in here is the manual, which is well detailed in here. It's got everything you need to know, and I like how it's packaged in here. They got it around some foam in here, which makes it really nice. And it's got 4 spare props. It's got a USB charger, and this charger is the same as an Android phone. So if you have just a regular Android phone, you can see that it's got that style charger, which is pretty cool, because on the battery itself, let me pull the drone out of here. The battery itself has a little light on the back side of it, so when that light it'll light up when it's charging, and then when it's charged, that red light will go out. So, and you can see the charge port is right there, guys. So another great thing I like about this, let me set this stuff down here. Okay, I just took the controller out of the box. What I want to show you is that yeah, you got the manual and everything, but you know what, LBLA did a really good job by going and marking everything on this controller. You have everything well labeled, guys, and that's what's so great about this controller here, is that everything you need to know is right here on the controller. So that way you forget, you don't have to keep the manual with you. Just look at the controller, it's ready to go right there, guys. So let me go ahead and show you the drone itself. Unfolds pretty easy. This one just locks. They actually don't lock in. The front one, or the back one, doesn't lock in. It's the front one that locks a little more. There it goes, locked right there, and then it locks into place here. So it's actually a pretty cool little design. They have them set up to where they do have a Wi-Fi camera. This one right here, I like, is because it's just a headlight. I didn't want the Wi-Fi camera, because these ones here, I just like flying around, guys. And it's pretty cool because you can actually open up the canopy too. Open the canopy up, and the antenna's right in there. So I'm going to go and show you here in just a few that I'm going to drill a hole right here and run the antenna up out through the canopy so I can get a little bit more range out of it, guys. So all right. The proprietary battery here, this one is a 3.7 volt, 350 milliamps. So, you know, you probably get about 5 minutes of flight. We'll find out. So I'm going to put the hat cam on. We're going to go for a flight, guys. So stay tuned for that.
What's up, guys? All right, I'm out here for the flight now. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the controller. It's marked really well on and off. Let me unfold this. Turn the drone on by holding that down for a few seconds. All right, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and calibrate it as well. See if I can get it level here. Should be able to just calibrate to the bottom left-hand corners, I believe, here. So try that. It's kind of hard to see because it's so bright. Let me try this one. Okay, either way, I tried either side, so it should calibrate. I just calibrated not too long ago when I put the batteries in. So, all right, 1 key takeoff. I'm going to go ahead and hit the speeds. There's 2, there's 3, because it's pretty windy out here today, guys. So 1 key takeoff. I really like this little drone. It's actually pretty responsive. So flies pretty good, because there's probably about 4 mile an hour wind right now. and it's actually keeping up very well. Wind's blowing that way, so it's fighting the wind coming back towards me. The only thing I wish I could do is shut off the little headlight. That way you're not wasting any battery, but that'd be nice to shut the headlight off. So we'll see by the film how many minutes this thing gets. I'm thinking probably only 5 minutes. The little light will flash in the back. So let's try some 3D rolls. Let's see. There's forward. Here's sideways. Let's see. There we go. Let's try forward. Backwards. Alright. Not too bad. I'll try the other side here. If you guys could see it here. Bring it a little bit closer to me. There we go. I really like this drone, guys. Works really well. Let's see, I guess we could try I could try a headless mode. Let me bring it down. This does have altitude hold, guys, so I don't know if I mentioned that, but it does have altitude hold, so it holds pretty good. The wind's blowing that way, so I could probably adjust it out with the trim, but with it being this windy, I'm not going to do that. One key return. Let me see what that does. Alright, there's one key return. It's coming back this way, a little bit over that way, so to stop that, just go and press the button again. Okay, so you press the button again on the one key return. I'm going to try it again. To stop it, press the key again. There we go. So it does kind of come back, guys. You know, I don't really trust those too much. With this, I don't think the range is going to be too far, so you're really not going to need that one key return, because your altitude and your range should not be very far. This is more of a backyard flyer, guys, but it is withholding the wind, so I'm very proud of this little drone. I definitely recommend this so far. I like it. It's pretty cool. And the controller feels kind of nice. If you're a pincher, guys, and I always like to show for pinchers, you know, you probably could pinch, I guess. You know, it's not too bad. Seems to be working. So it's just the buttons are just a little thicker here, you know, so it's not that great for pinching, but someone that thumbs, you know, it works great. It'd be nice to see if they gave you an opportunity to change the sticks on here. So if you are a pincher, you can get rid of the, you know, the fat sticks and put something longer on here. I'm gonna try, let's see, let me bring it down, bring it back over here. The wind gusts are coming up pretty good. Oh, that's the cutoff switch. So pressing that will go and automatically stop it, so be careful with that, guys. I missed the button. It's this one key take off, one key land right here. I pressed the stop button, so be careful of that. It'll just drop out of the sky, as you can see. I'm going to try headless mode right now, so I'll step back a little bit. I'm going to try headless mode, so let's find headless mode, and it's right up here. Okay, headless mode is going because the light is flashing now. One key take off. Let's find out. Yep, back towards me, forward now, back towards me. So one key, headless mode is working, guys. So let's shut that back off. All right, so that's working. Everything's working, guys. What a great little quad. I like it. It's definitely this is definitely going to be one of my little favorite ones to just fly around. It'd be kind of neat if they gave you an option to be a manual flyer, if they had that option instead of altitude hold. But for beginners, I do recommend this. You know, even for the advanced, you know, it's a great drone. It's got plenty of response. It banks really good, especially with how much wind is out here. Like I said, it's about 4 mile an hour is the winds, and probably about 5 to 6 mile an hour gusts. So, and it's doing just great. So, you know, the range, I don't want to go too far because I don't want it to do a flyaway and I lose it in a tree. So the range isn't too bad. I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole in that canopy sometime. It probably won't be on this film, but I'm going to drill a hole in the canopy and stick that antenna through so I can get a little more range, and you could probably open this up and get the antenna out of there and bring it out so you can get a little bit better signal. But yeah, this is a great little flyer, guys. I love it. Definitely a fun one. I wish it wasn't so windy. You want to try it for a second? Remember the wind, you want to press back right now because the wind's blowing it that way. So it's not too bad. He's flying it in the wind right now, so we'll just keep the altitude at that height so that way it don't go up in the tree in case the wind catches it. This is my nephew right here. My nephew Aiden, and he's helping me out today. So it's a good flyer, guys. He's flying it right now, and he hasn't been able to get too much flying in for a while, so he's he's doing okay with it. So I definitely like this little drone right here. Like I said, it's definitely handling the wind. I'm very surprised. It's definitely handling the wind. Yeah, we definitely don't want to bring this up too high because right now there's a bunch of hawks out here circling around, and they will go and they will grab the drone, so they go and try to attack my bigger drone. So this one would look like a little baby bird for them, and that'd be easy grabs. So far it's lasted pretty good. This is probably going to fly for 5 to 6 minutes. There's no doubt about it. Because we've been out here for a little bit. I'll check the film after this video. And if you do want to land it, you can just press down on that left stick. Nope, that's the kill switch. Alright guys, hey, the LBLA little mini foldable drone works really great, guys. Had a blast with it. Battery went dead, that's why it wouldn't take back off when he pressed the emergency stop. So I'll go and let you guys know what the time is in the descriptions, or I'll put it up here on the screen. So alright, LBLA, I sure appreciate it. You can find them on Amazon, guys. I'll leave a link down below. Check them out. They got all kinds of different other drones there on Amazon. So thanks again, guys, and thank you guys so much. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.